exclamation mark.
Yay.
In an equation, x is the domain and y is the range.
To find the range, set the equation in the square root function greater than or equal to 0. To find the points, plug in x that fits the domain to find y. The points, x, y.
The sign in front of A, when it's a negative, flips the range sign to less than or equal to.
If the sign under the radical is a negative, it moves it to the right. If the sign is a positive, it moves it to the left. The h and k represent the x and y, the vertex point.
The sign before the k, when a positive, it goes up. When a subtraction sign, it will go down.
Example 1. The equation is y equals the square root of 4x. From this, we find the domain is x is greater than or equal to 0, and the range is y is greater than or equal to 0. And by plugging in our x's, we can find our y's and create our points. So we have 0, 0, 4, 4, and 1, 2. And we plot them on our graph, and it creates a line.
Hooray! Example number 2. The equation is y equals. Yes, it's y equals. There we go. Y equals, equals, equals. The opposite of the square root of x. Oh man. X plus 7 minus 4. By setting what is underneath the radical less than or equal to 0, we will find the domain. Good job! Giving us x is less than or equal to negative 7. The range, we use the negative 4 or minus 4 as seen above. Giving us y is greater than or equal to negative 4. By using the 7 and negative 4 in the equation, gives us our vertex of negative 7 and negative 4. And we plug in other points that fit the domain to give us 2 other points to plot on the graph. And no, I am not plugging random answers into the calculator. Using those points, we plot our graph. Oops, looks like there was a mistake. You can check this on your calculator by plugging it in to your y equation. That's not what I have. There we go.
Example 3. The equation is y is less than or equal to the square root of x minus 5 plus 3. To find the domain, we set x minus 5 greater than or equal to 0 and found that the domain is x is greater than or equal to 5. We also found that the range is y is greater than or equal to 3. We then plugged in an x that fit the function. Eventually. Yay! And found our points. To be 5, 3. 6, 4, and 9, 5. We then finished drawing the line and drew a graph. And we shaded to the left because y is less than or equal to z points.